This is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm here to share a couple of things I've got going on. One of which that I want to share with you guys is the mail club from Papery Ink. I don't know if you guys have seen mail clubs. They're kind of really the rage. And so it's a way for you to get artwork and stickers and all different kinds of things from different creators. And so this is the only one I found that is more crafty oriented. So this is actually Mail Club from Papery Ink Stamps, and they have some really cute products. I'm gonna have to make something with some of the stamps that I own from them. But this is a monthly club, and you get an envelope once a month, and in that envelope there's going to be like maybe a postcard, maybe something to color, along with a couple of vinyl stickers and also some images that are already cut and ready to be colored. So that's one of the things I really enjoy about this club, is that you do get some images that you can color, and that's really fun. So I'm going to share with you the 2 months that I have. I have no idea why it was so weirdly paused. So I've done it for 2 months, and so the first month came with this sort of coloring card. You can color this in, and you could just keep it, or you can place it on, you could place it on a card, or you could turn it over, make it into a postcard. So it's really cute, and it's a great way of getting a bunch of images from this company without having to buy the stamp set. So, and I don't even know if these are actually stamps or these are just ones that she just colors every month, or she draws and then cuts for us every month. I haven't really looked at their website lately to see, but there's all these different images. You get about 4 each, I guess, plenty to make a card or a bookmark or anything you want to make, and they're really cute. There's like these little hamster, I think they're hamsters, I'm not sure, but the themes seem to be some sort of plant or like floral theme, and yeah, we get like 4 of them, and they are really cute and really fun. That gives you an idea of the kind of style that she has for her stamps. And you can go to her website and sign up for the club, or you can buy her stamps, which are very cute. And I do have quite a few stamps by her. And then you also get a couple of, I think they're vinyl stickers. Putting everything back, they are super adorable. So it gives you an idea and some inspiration on how you might want to color your images. And then this is the one that I just got. The second envelope here is the one I just received, and this one we get an actual postcard. We get these really cute stickers that I love. I think they're so cute. Put them in my planner. And then here's the postcard that you could send, or you could place this in your journal. So it lets you know kind of what the theme is, and the theme is like these cute spring transportation, and then we've got our little images. And I love the idea of this, especially if you don't want to invest in the stamp set, or you're not going to use it a million times. And so I just love it. So it's like I think that's like a little strawberry car, there's a little carrot car, and the other one, like on her Instagram, I think she colored it orange, maybe, I don't know. So it could be an orange or lime or whatever you want to make it. But really fun. And then there's like a little stop signs. You get 4 each. There's little stop signs, little clouds, little traffic cones. And I just think it's a really fun idea. So, I think it's a really great way of kind of helping your business if you don't have a lot of people buying your stamps, for example, or maybe you don't want to invest in purchasing stamps, or maybe the supply chain is totally messed up. That gives you opportunity. So now we're on to our not too shabby box. This is for June of 2026, and so I don't always get a box. They also have a junior box, and so the junior box of the month it gives you one stamp set and a couple of other different things, and it's obviously cheaper. But this is the full box, and you get a discount. Next month, she said the theme is going to be fairy tales, so I really was interested in making sure that I get that box for July. And so I went ahead and I subscribed. And it's not because I don't love Not Too Shabby Shop, but I just have so much stuff. And so I just had to kind of stop subscribing to some things because it was just too much stuff and not enough time to use it. Like, I'm having a big sale this month because I have so many things I can't ever use and some things I never used. So, having said that, I did get the box this month. So the free gift are these fun enamel dots. And in this box, we're getting 2 very large stamp sets. I think they're 6 by 8. We're also getting 2 paper pads and 2 ephemera packs that match each of the paper pads. And so this is what comes in. And they're really cute. And I tried, on my channel, you can find all the different ways that I've used the ephemera, not necessarily cards, but I've also used them in different ways as tags. I've used them for make bookmarks. I've used them for journaling. I've used them in lots of different ways because I don't always want a bazillion cards that are the same or that are just ephemera, because I like stamping and I like coloring and I like die cutting and I like designing my own things. So the ephemera for me is nice, but anyway. But the stamp sets I think are really, really cute. I do miss them not having the dies anymore. I've gotten really used to having dies. So that part is kind of a bummer, but I still make it work. But it's really cute. And then here's the other very large stamp set. Just a lot of summer icons that I think can be used in lots of different ways. So I might just stamp everything and cut them all out, color them, and then just have them ready to add to different things this summer. And so the other thing that you get is you get a little, I don't know how to say it, a few of these card fronts. I think the junior box gives you the entire set of them. And so I kind of like just getting a little bit of them. And I find that some of them are difficult to use in the sense that, I want to use them as backgrounds, but they're really like focal points. A couple of them I think can be used as backgrounds, so I'll play around with them. And then, but they're really cute. They're really pretty this month. The other thing you get is you get some sentiments that you can stamp. You can die cut. You can just use your die cut machine or your cutter, or you can use the die. There is a die that goes with those, which I have. That's really cute, fun. And then you do get 2 paper pads, and I think that they are yellow, and then the other one's like pink. And so the ephemera matches it. And I think I like the ephemera a lot more this time because it's very, I'm going to say generic. Like, they can be used as pieces in a card. Like, I could do a beach scene, but I could add like a critter or something like that. So all different, you can see all the different pieces, and you get a couple of different of each. I think it's kind of fun. I actually ordered my pictures from Europe trip from last year, so I might try to find ways to use some of these pieces in that, even though, well, I might be able to do some of them. We'll see. Here's Pink Summer, and really pretty paper, and I think it's got a lot of paper I think you could use for different scenes, like clouds and grass and things like that too, which is a lot of times what I like to use my paper for. And then here is Summer Sunshine. Really fun, lots of yellows in there. Just really happy paper. So I'm pretty happy with the box. I think it's a really fun kind of summer box that I can use a lot of my summer crafting. But like I said, I'm going to be doing some scrapbooking. So I will try to find ways to use some of those. I think that camera would be great. I think that that lifesaver thing would be great because I was on a boat. Um, I was in Greece. I think the yellow would be really pretty. So we did a lot of things. So I think I can find ways to use some of this ephemera to add it to some of my scrapbook layouts. A good way, a different way of using it. And I'm actually going to be doing 12 by 12 layouts. I haven't done the layout in forever, but this is a pretty big trip, and so I want to commemorate it. So anyway, this is the box of the month, and she usually has a few available here and there throughout the month. Sometimes you'll go there and you'll see that it's sold out. But if you go ahead and just want to be notified, a box sometimes will become available. But next month's theme is going to be fairy tale. So I don't know what kind of fairy tales it's going to be, but I do love fairy tales. So I went ahead and find out. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Cindy Crank.